Is Detective Inspector Frost in the briefing room?
No, sir, he hasn't arrived yet.
Detective Inspector Frost.
Jack Frost. What's Mullet doing here this time of day?
There was a briefing.
A word of advice, son. Never tell Mr. Mullet that I'm in the office.
Detective Constable Clive Barnard.
Your responsibility is to me, not to good old Jack Frost. I know you'll find him a very experienced officer.
Rain will stop, poverty will vanish, and peace will break out all over the world.
Inspector Frost from Control.
Yes, Arthur.
The DCI wants to see you.
Where's Mullet?
In his office, loading his shotgun.
Oh, good, he's calmed down then. He's got something for you downstairs, and he says...
You're never going to believe this.
Woof, woof. I'm not scared of dogs. It's women that frighten me.
You're probably a bit late, I'm afraid. Not earlier, I could have saved him.
I know, I tried to give him the kiss of life, but he stuck his fingers up my nose. Yeah, well, I'll sleep on it, sir.
Perhaps the answer will come to you in a dream.
Oh.